How to get the best results using castor oil on your face and other areas. Castor oil has been used for over 4,000 years to hydrate the skin, helping smooth out wrinkles, boost hair growth, and much more. It was used as a natural beauty remedy for ancient Egyptians and Ayurvedic healers, and many people still use it today for their skin all over the world. The problem is, many cheap castor oils that are on the market simply don't work. So in this video I'll be showing you the best types of castor oil to choose and the amazing benefits that you can see when you use it consistently. This video is for educational purposes only and was made by a real person. Let's first talk about the type of castor oil that you're getting. Unfortunately, many of the cheaper commercial castor oils are heavily processed with hexane. This is a chemical that comes from petroleum that you definitely don't want on your skin. So always look for cold-pressed, organic and hexane-free castor oil for the highest quality. The oil shouldn't be too dark or cloudy in colour, and it should smell mildly like hazelnuts with a natural thick texture. Ideally, it should also come in a dark glass bottle, which protects the natural ingredients from light and it makes it last much longer, allowing castor oil to provide deep moisturization for your skin. The main ingredient that makes up 90% of this oil is a rare fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. This is completely unique and it's not found in any other plant oils on the planet. Ricinoleic acid penetrates the outer layers of your skin much better than other oils. Once there, it draws water into the skin and locks it in to help the skin appear more hydrated, softer and plumper, giving it that firmer appearance. Castor oil has a thick, sticky consistency which mimics your skin's natural barrier, acting like a shield that helps prevent the skin from drying out and becoming irritated. But the key is to use it regularly and frequently. Don't expect it to work in just a couple of uses. People usually notice a smoother look around fine lines, especially under their eyes or near the mouth, as the oil helps the skin hold on to its natural elasticity and bounce. And by protecting the skin, castor oil is often used to help prevent breakouts, as it's been shown to have antibacterial and antifungal activity, reducing the overgrowth of microbes that trigger pimples. By protecting the skin's barrier, it also means that pores are less likely to get clogged and inflamed. This is not a cure for acne, which is mostly caused by hormonal issues, but it certainly helps. But what I would say is that it is important to be consistent. You would need to use 3 to 4 drops of castor oil massaged deeply into the skin at least 3 times per week for a minimum of 6 weeks to see results. Most people find that it's better to use it at night before they go to bed, giving it plenty time to soak in before washing your face in the morning. You can also use this for your hair, lashes and brows. Gentle application can help to nourish your hair follicles, helping hair to look fuller and stronger over time. That active ingredient, ricinoleic acid, penetrates the hair follicles and helps hair to grow out more fully and healthily. This is also good for reducing dry scalp because of its natural antimicrobial effect. If you're using it on your scalp, the best type to use is called Jamaican black castor oil. But for delicate skin around your eyes, always use the regular castor oil, which is a little bit more alkaline for the skin. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications on so that I can keep you updated with the latest health and nutrition tips. And next we have reducing puffiness and tired eyes. The thickness of this oil helps it to hydrate and plump the skin around the eyes. I recommend gently massaging it around this area to boost circulation, being careful to not get it into your eyes. There are some pharmaceutical grade castor oil eye drops that can be used for moisturizing dry eyes as well, but don't use the regular oil for this purpose. It can, however, be used to help with fading scars and marks. As the ricinoleic acid penetrates your skin, it improves microcirculation to bring more oxygen and nutrients to areas of damage. Over time, it helps the fibroblasts rebuild healthier tissue to reduce the appearance of those scars over time. And it can even help with your nails. Castor oil provides the additional benefit of vitamin E, which can nourish brittle nails and protect them from further splitting. Simply apply a drop to your nails and massage it in regularly to help them resist breakage. Being anti-inflammatory and having the ability to penetrate the skin, many people also swear by castor oil for arthritis pain reduction. Castor oil packs, which are made with cotton fabric soaked in castor oil, can be placed in areas of discomfort on the body to ease pain. I personally like to use this around my neck and shoulders to reduce tightness after a long day of reading or working. It can also be rubbed onto the soles of your feet, so the anti-inflammatory compounds may be absorbed into the blood for a stronger effect. There are also a few other things that you may want to think about with this oil. Some people use castor oil packs to assist in dissolving cysts and fibrocystic breasts. However, there is absolutely no evidence to support this. A much better approach would be considering things that naturally balance estrogen, like sea kelp for its iodine content, or other balancing herbs like maca root and dim. Some people also use castor oil packs for liver issues, but intermittent fasting and an antioxidant-rich diet is a much better approach. Here's how you can multiply the effects of your castor oil. A simple way to help your skin absorb more castor oil is by submerging your face in ice water before you apply the oil. The coldness works with the oil to improve circulation to the skin for faster results, but you'll still need to be patient. You can also combine castor oil with a few natural boosters like jojoba or rosehip oil to help it spread more evenly and add extra antioxidants to your skin. Eating more vitamin C rich foods, especially sauerkraut, bell peppers and berries, can also support collagen production from the inside out for healthier skin, along with copper and zinc from shellfish like clams, shrimp, oysters, etc. Omega-3 fats from salmon, sardines, mackerel and oily fish also help to strengthen your skin's barrier from within. And for more information on the best nutrients to improve skin health, tap on the video on screen now. Thanks once again for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.